Check this out. We got the Wagyu beef from Costco, and kind of, oh no! I've done it upside down. Oh, I've done it wrong, I think. Not concentrating. Never mind, I'll get it right next time. I'm sure what I read said you should season it and then put it seasoned side down, which I didn't do. But that's okay. I did it with that one, but not with those two. There you go. Always learn something every time. We'll have a look at what we've got. We've got some blue cheese, a little bit of bacon, some homemade chips. I just made them in the oven with a bit of butter on. They're not the best. It's a bit difficult to scrape them off, like, but you know. I'm having a go at lighting first fire of the winter. It is actually snowing outside. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can see that fine. Well, you can't. I don't know if you can see outside. It looks really blue on the screen, but it is actually snowing. Some new Christmas decorations we've put up, and then we've got, I've put a log on here now that is blasting out some heat. I know I can close it, I don't leave it open like this, I'm just trying to make sure it's really going. There you go, it's closed now. Should warm the place up a bit. Nice, looks great actually. And Marie put the tree up. Should put some more of this stuff here. And look at this, the tree. Right, I've tied it up now. I'm going to come in close. Yeah, so we actually have snow on the ground. I'll show you down there. Socks away. That'll sound really nice on the recording. The sound of the snow. I want to try and get it up at a nice angle. Nice and level. Right, there's a view of Birmingham in the distance.